When I think of summertime, blossoms glow, peace, sunshine, longer days and endless joy as the time goes on. A season that melts into evergreen, nature, beauty, garden scene, wings of butterflies and bird lullabies. In between winter and spring, summer's here, joy that brings heart-filled smiles upon us, a season of gentle warm embrace. Flow with the gentle breeze, let your soul glide with ease. Ripple waves by oceans, long walks and strolls. Can you feel streams, ponds, and lakes where water overflows? Ever be grateful for the days like this? Can you feel the happiness? When I think of summertime, blossoms glow, peace, sunshine, longer days and endless joy as the time goes on. A season that melts into evergreen, nature, beauty, garden scene, wings of butterflies and bird lullabies, in between winter and spring. Heart-filled smiles are upon us, a season of gentle warm embrace. Flow with the gentle breeze, let your soul guide with ease. Ripple waves by the ocean, long strolls. When I think of summertime, blossoms glow, peace, sunshine, longer days and endless joy as the time goes on. As the time goes on, streams, ponds, lakes, well, water overflowing, everywhere be grateful for this day. This, can you feel the happiness in summertime, in summertime, in summertime? This day, peace, sunshine, longer days, and endless joy as time goes on.